What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today I'm going to be taking this old shank out of a screwdriver. This was a advertisement screwdriver. It had a plastic handle. It snapped off. I decided to save it. We're going to be making a handle using this piece of wood and this 30-06 shell. Just sighting in my deer rifle. So, might as well use the brass. We're going to be basically setting the screwdriver into this wood and then epoxying that into this. Let's get to it. Alright, I don't have a lathe, so I'm sticking this piece of wood into this chuck of this drill, and we're just going to sand it by hand. I'm going to get it down to the thickness of the neck of this shell, and then we'll drill a hole through it, and we'll get it epoxied in the screwdriver shank. Let's get to it. Alright, we got this little dowel made up. That's basically what it is, wooden dowel. Now I'm going to drill a hole down the center of it, and then we're going to fit the shank of the screwdriver into it. Let's get this put in here. Alright, this isn't fully dry, but we're going to go ahead and get this pumped full of epoxy, and we're going to file this down to give it some grooves for the epoxy to stick into so it doesn't twist inside there. Alright, got that put in there. I'm liking it. Now I have this old clip off of this flashlight from Harbor Freight. It's an $8 flashlight. I highly recommend it. This is really a super bright flashlight, and it's got just the on and off, and it flashes on camera. It's not in real life. And then it has dim for a half press. It's a good flashlight. I think it's $8. Definitely highly recommend it. Since I'm putting it in this, my flashlight, I don't need this clip on it. So I'm going to be squeezing this clip small enough to where it'll be fitting on here. And then I'll have my nice little pocket screwdriver. So the last little thing we got to do. Now we're done with this project. This is a shorter little project. Go ahead and grab my multi-tool out of here. Alright, there we go. Got my little custom 30-06 shell pocket screwdriver. I like it. This is just a simple little one. I got a few more small videos like this coming up, little builds, some simple stuff, and then I got some more Christmas ideas for all y'all. Stay tuned. I thank y'all very much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what you think. Give me some recommendations for new videos. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. And share it with a friend or family. Let me know what you think of the stuff I'm making here. I really appreciate the feedback. Yeah. I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Dime Guys. And this was a mini rifle casing pocket screwdriver.